Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be covering introduction to IoT, applications of IoT, and characteristics of IoT. Guys, I have uploaded complete IoT subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. At first, I will explain what is IoT. Guys, IoT stands for Internet of Things. So IoT means connecting everyday device to internet so that they can collect data, they can share data, and they can work automatically without human help. Yes, for example, if you consider everyday devices like smart bulbs, smart watches, smart TVs, and smart ACs, this device can automatically collect data, they can share data, and they can work automatically by using internet without any human help. Guys, in India, you can find each and every person by using Aadhaar card. So we consider this Aadhaar card as unique identity. Similarly, each and every IoT device contains unique IP address. We consider this IP address as unique identity. So each and every IoT device contains unique IP address. By using that unique IP address, device can communicate to each other. They can send data, they can receive data, and they can work automatically by using internet without any human help. These are some of the examples. And the first one is AC will automatically adjust temperature based on climate condition. And second one is smart lights. Whenever any person enter into a room, lights will automatically turn on, and whenever person leave, lights will automatically turn off. Smart watch that can monitor our steps and heart rate, and smart parking, smart farming. All these are examples of IoT. Guys, IoT is growing day by day because in IoT, sensors are very cheap and IoT devices use mobile networks, so communication is cheap and easy. Instead of storing data in physical servers, IoT devices store data in cloud. So IoT use cloud computing, and there are so many better communication technologies like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. Because of all these reasons, IoT devices are growing day by day. Guys, main duty of IoT is to convert raw data into useful knowledge. So at first you need to know what is data, what is information, and what is knowledge. I'll explain them with an example. Guys, for example, let's consider AC. AC sensors will collect raw data like 13 degrees, 18 degrees, etc. which don't have proper meaning. So data is nothing but raw values from sensors which don't have any meaning. Now sensors will process this data like 35 degrees centigrade above mean hot, and 25 to 34 mean cool, and 10 degrees to 70 degrees mean cold. Like that, sensors will process this data. We call this processed data as information. When we apply some rules on this information, we'll get knowledge. For example, if temperature is 35 degrees centigrade, then AC will be automatically adjusted to 18 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. So whenever we understand information and apply rules, then we get knowledge. By using knowledge, we can take smart decisions. So IoT device can convert data into information and information to knowledge, and we use this knowledge for smart decisions. Next I will explain applications of IoT. Guys, applications mean where we use IoT. Guys, we'll use IoT in many fields like home automation. In home automation, for smart lights, for smart appliances, for home security, and for smoke and gas detectors. Smart lights has capability to turn on and to turn off automatically, and smart appliances like smart remotes, smart fans, smart fridge that will work automatically without human help, and for home security like for CC cameras and for alarms, and smoke and gas detectors. All these are examples of IoT. And second one is smart cities. Guys, in smart cities, smart parking shows empty parking places automatically by using lights. And in smart roads that can identify traffic automatically, and for structural health monitoring, that is for monitoring buildings and bridges, and for emergency response, that is to identify accidents quickly, we use IoT devices. And third one is environment, for weather monitoring, for pollution monitoring, and for forest fire detection, and for river monitoring. All these are examples of IoT. And fourth one is energy, for smart grids that are nothing but devices that can distribute electricity quickly and intelligently. For that we use IoT devices. And for renewable energy management, that is managing solar energy and wind energy. And for power usage prediction, all these are examples of IoT. And fifth one is retail, for inventory management, that is to track stocks in shop, for automatic digital payments, and for smart vending machines that are nothing but machines that can work without human help. All these are examples of IoT. And for logistics, that is for vehicle tracking, that is nothing but finding vehicle location using GPS, for managing vehicles, And for goods monitoring, we use IoT devices. And for smart agriculture, that is for smart irrigation, device can automatically supply water based on soil condition. And for greenhouse control, that is nothing but controlling temperature for plants. And for soil monitoring, checking soil moisture and whether nutrients are present in soil or not. And for industry, for machine health monitoring and as well as quality control systems. By using quality control systems, we can check quality of product. And for health and lifestyle, for example, if you consider smartwatches, smartwatch can automatically track our steps and heart rate, and wearable health devices like blood tracker, pulse monitoring machine, etc. And for fitness monitoring devices, like to monitor fitness, whether we are fat, thin, how many calories we are burning, how many steps we are walking, etc. Because of all these applications, life is very easier, safer, and more efficient. Next, I will explain characteristics of IoT. And the first one is dynamic and self-adapting. Thus, IoT device has capability to change their behavior based on environment. For example, based on room condition, CCTV cameras can switch automatically to night mode. And second one is self-configuring. Thus, IoT device can configure themselves without human help. For example, if you consider weather monitoring device can automatically connect to IoT network, that is nothing but IoT devices, and they can send weather data to IoT devices. And third one is interoperable communication protocols, that are nothing but IoT device will use protocols. Protocols are nothing but they are rules. By using that rules, device can communicate to each other. For example, if you consider Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, they have rules. That is nothing but they have protocols. By using that protocols, device can communicate to each other. And fourth one is unique identity. As each and every person contains unique Aadhaar number, we call that unique Aadhaar number as unique identity for person. Similarly, each and every IoT device has unique IP address. We call that unique IP address as unique ID. By using that unique ID, device can communicate to each other. And fifth one is integrated into information networks. Thus, IoT device can connect to internet and they can store data in cloud. And they have capability to transfer data to other IoT devices. Thus, for example, if you consider weather sensors will automatically sense data and then they will send the data to cloud, and from cloud, data is transferred to IoT device for prediction. IoT device has capability to take complete data and convert the data into knowledge.